Hi everyone. Tonight for supper I'll be making Filipino fried garlic rice. What all goes into the Filipino fried garlic rice? 2 tablespoons of neutral oil. I'll be using coconut oil. 1/2 teaspoon of fine salt. 9 to 10 cloves of garlic minced. I've got the already minced stuff. 2.5 cups of cooked white rice, and it's already cooked, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. So let's begin. Heat a large nonstick skillet over medium-high heat. Once your pan is hot, add your oil and your salt and toss that. Reduce your heat to medium and add your 9 to 10 cloves of minced garlic. And cook that until golden, crispy, and fragrant. As you can see, it is getting golden and fragrant. You can't see that though. Then add your 2.5 cups of cooked rice. Mix that up with the oil and the garlic. Break up any of the big clumps. Once the oil and garlic is all mixed with the rice, cook on the one side and kind of get a crispy texture on that side. Leave it sit and do not stir it for 4 to 5 minutes. So after the 5 minutes, mix up and break up the rice. And then you can add more salt if you want, and add your pepper and mix that in. And then you serve it warm. Here is the Filipino fried garlic rice, and rounding out the meal is baked Asian style pork chops. Let's see what Dave thinks. It's the rice.
Oh, well, that surprised me. It's like ivory soap. No, I'm just kidding.
Well, how'd you know that was a special ingredient?
I don't. I don't know what it is. It seems like I probably should know.
That is Filipino fried garlic rice.
Well, it has an interesting flavor. It still seems like, I don't know.
Ivory soap?
No, no, I was just kidding. But I don't know that if it's the garlic. There's something is kind of, like I said, I think I should know.
Well, I used coconut oil to fry it with, and there is salt and pepper.
Well, it's good. It just, my head is telling me that I should recognize that as something. I don't really recognize it as garlic, but I like the flavor of it. It's
okay, good. So the pork chop is not a taste test, but taste test it anyway.
No, that's pretty good too.
That is baked Asian style pork chop.
Kind of sweet in a way. Well, they're both good, and I think the two together is really good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.